Hey Junkaholics, I've got some special news for you. I opened the channel 3 weeks ago. We're already at 75 subscribers. So at 100 subscribers, I'm going to release some very important news. Some exciting news. Something that everybody's going to want to be part of. So please like and share and subscribe. I can't stress that enough because at 100 subscribers, I will release the news. So Junkaholics, today we're going to be scrapping an Avaya power supply. That's Avaya, let's see, DPSN 27BBA. Unfortunately, these take security screws to come apart, and I have security bits, but nothing long enough to get through into these little holes. So we're going to use the tried and true method of opening shit up, and that's with the hatchet, 3-pound maul. And there it's open. Inside, what we find is a nice little battery. And it's a lead acid battery. So I'll put that with my batteries. There's a little bit of wire here. So we'll cut that off as close as we can. Insulated wire. I don't know a lot about e-waste, but I see some aluminum. I would imagine the prongs are brass. Some copper toroids. Some gold fingers. There's not a lot to it. This is plastic junk. So let's take this thing apart. Here, so right here, got some IC chips. That's about all I see there. Oh, and on the back side, there's some IC chips as well. Bang, bang, bang. Oh, there's I believe that's a tantalum capacitor right here. Okay, so cut this wire off. Cut this wire off. And cut this wire off. Like I say, I believe that's those prongs will be brass, but I'll have to check them out later. Then we have nice little copper toroids. Could put them in as copper bearing myself. I like to stand these guys on edge. Give it a nice little swack of the hammer. Comes right apart. Number 2 copper without. Then the ferrite will be good for your steel bin. There's another one here. Let's see if I can get at it. Again, oops. You don't want to stand, eh? Just as simple as that. Comes right apart. Cleans right up. I don't see no reason why a person shouldn't be scrapping those. Number 2 copper again. Nice and heavy too. More ferrite. Okay, here's another piece of copper. Hopefully this works. Off like that. That's an easy unwind. Just unwind it like this. I'm not going to bore you with unwinding the whole thing. Probably be easier if you break the plastic piece. See, it just unwinds. Nice and easy. There'll be some more number 2 copper. Let's see. What else is here? Like I say, I don't know much about this stuff. So if there's anything you guys can comment about that maybe I'm missing, that would be awesome. This little box, I believe there's copper in this as well. So let's take a look. Oh, that looks to be aluminum, this one. This looks like to be an aluminum spool. So that's good for nothing. Oh yes. Then, there's my good ones. Again, some nice copper. Little transformer. Wouldn't be hard to get the copper off of that, or you could just put in the copper bearing motors. That's probably what I'm going to do. Then let's see. Phillips screwdriver. Oh, that might be too big. Oh, we'll see. That screw is magnetic, so there's also these ones here. And then here, this will be aluminum. These 2 little plates here. I don't know, are they a heat sink? Okay, somehow. There you go. There's some sheet aluminum. I believe, yeah, non-magnetic. Okay, another piece of aluminum right there. They tell me these are copper. I don't know, it kind of looks plastic, but could be wrong. Let's see, where's the file? That's plastic. Must be copper inside. This one here, I see some metals. Oh, okay. This one here, take a look. See, that is copper. All we're gonna have to do is take off that plastic like that. And it went flying somewhere. Oh well, I'll eventually find it. There's another one here. Maybe I should stop doing things by hand here. And there's Here's one. Here's another. And what else is on there? The little LED lights. This switch will have a silver contact. I don't know if you guys collect those or not, but it really takes nothing to pull it off. And exploring it later, I hear these LED lights will have gold wires right inside the light itself. So correct me if I'm wrong, because heaven knows I've been wrong before. And then this little box here with the gold fingers inside of it. Okay, we'll take the bigger pliers. Again, we'll take that off. The outer casing is aluminum, so some sheet aluminum. Oh, and the fingers are right here. Didn't that come out easy? So that'll be easy. That'll be easy to pluck and add to your little jar of gold pins. Here I am calling them gold fingers when they're gold pins. Totally rookie mistake. As you can tell, I'm a barbarian. I like to rip shit apart with my bare hands. Oh, there. Don't want to be losing that. And I think that's all I see. I don't know, guys. I see some goldy kind of color, but is it possible that there's gold underneath that mask? Wow, there is some kind of color. Looks to be copper, but I'm unsure. I'm colorblind, so that makes life a little bit more difficult. Now, there's a second circuit board. I don't know if you can see that. And I know I should probably take the soldering gun out and do that, but again, see some more IC chips, some more tantalums, IC chips, IC chips, IC chips. Besides that, I don't see a hell of a lot more. But oh, there's some tantalums there. So that pretty well concludes this. There's a battery that's probably about a pound. This low grade board. Well, maybe it's a medium grade. It's a medium grade board. Another medium grade board. With some tantalums. I don't take this stuff apart much, so if you guys can maybe teach me on this a little bit in the comments below. I would also like to know if you guys would be scrapping these out or selling them on eBay individually. I've got like 50 of them, and I want to make sure I'm doing the right thing. So if you can let me know what you would do with them, so I can make more of an informed decision on if I should be tearing these things apart or not. So if you enjoyed this video, like the video, share the video, and make sure to subscribe to the channel, because I have that special news coming, and it's something you're not going to want to miss. So let's get me up to 100 subscribers, and I'll release the news. Thank you, and have a great day.